something on it that you like, get it. Don't wait, don't hesitate, don't do none of that, because it's not gonna, they do not restock a lot of items. It's very much you get it and that's it. You ain't gonna ever see it again. Y'all, I'm addicted to clothes. I am. I'm addicted. And I mean like addicted. Like you me if you knew, but if you you know that I style down. Like I do not be, I'm talking like bust down cute. Bust down middle part cute, okay?
I can't go out. I'm sick.
Ooh, you whore.
Hi babes! We are back with a unboxing with Shein. We have 20 plus items in this try on haul, okay? Let's get right into it. So this is a Valentine's Day edition. Now, obviously everything that I got wasn't Valentine's Day theme, but everything is in the color, you know, vibe of that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aliya Monique. If you guys are new, hi, welcome. If you are old, hi, my babies. I'm excited to see y'all. So let's get right into it. So yeah, y'all see the thing on the back. So honestly, the first item is what I have on now. Let me show you. How you be like, so this is real cute. I know my head is cut off, but this is cute. This is a very much throw on outfit. And I love this. I might have to get this in another color. Now, obviously I fake styled it like this because this is not how you wear it. So it's supposed to be like over your belly button type vibe. And then the shirt comes over, but I ain't like that. So I have it scrunched up like this because I like how this looks because it represents like how the shirt is and the front is. So period. So this is the first item. Let's get right into it. Hold on. Let me bring the box back to where I was sitting at so we could get ourselves together. Okay. All right. I'm doing it this way because it's a little bit more easier for me to do it this way. Trying to find easier ways for me to get this content out the way, if y'all know what I mean. Okay, so I got these blue basic denim jeans. Now, I don't have a pair of blue denim jeans like this. I'm trying to look. No, like they're all like light wash or they're extremely dark. This is like my first true blue pair of jeans, and I got them. They are wide length. You'll see how they fit on me in a second because I'm gonna put it on the side right here. But yeah, I think these are really, really cute. I won't know how long they are until I put them on, but I'll put a voiceover to let you guys know if they are tall girl friendly or short girl friendly. Now for right now, me looking at them, they looking like they short girl friendly. They don't look like they're gonna be like dragging on the floor, but they are wide length. Okay, so that's item one. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, this is cute. This is a cute skirt. Now, I'm very sad because I wanted the matching jacket to go with it, but it's sold out. And if you know Shein, once it's sold out, it might not be coming back. That's the one thing about Shein. If you see something on it that you like, get it. Don't wait, don't hesitate, don't do none of that because it's not gonna, they do not restock a lot of items. It's very much you get it and that's it. You ain't gonna ever see it again. So this is really cute. I can't wait to style it. So right now, the vibe is given is that the waist is very much like literally folded. So you'll see how it looks on me. I hope it looks cute. It's a great material though. I'm not gonna lie. It's definitely not leather, but it feels amazing. It really does. Okay, y'all. I told myself that my next, when I get to order more clothes, I have to buy more tops because I literally just bought a whole pair of jeans. And I think I have an obsession with bottoms, but whatever. Okay, so these are wide, like wide. You see how wide they are? but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You know, wide is coming back in. I had a whole bunch of like very much skinny jeans, and I'm not into that. Well, I am when I want to wear like my fur boots and other boots, but like sometimes I just want to throw a jean on and it not be too tight with a sneaker and look very cash and sporty. And this is what it's given. Now, if I wanted to be able to dress it up, I definitely could, because look how cute the pockets are. It has very cute detailing on the front. So it is cute, you know, it's giving a vibe. If I wanted to dress it up, I can. If I wanted to dress it down, I can. So I love giving myself options. Okay. Next bottom. Oh, I love this wash. I think in my last haul, I had a wash that was similar to this. It was the one that had like the holes on the side. I don't know if you guys remember, but this wash is something I've been addicted to because it's given like a camo green, like a dirty green. I like that for the summertime because I'm trying to get some staple pieces for the summer. I really like the bottom of the jean. Like you don't really see this too much on jeans nowadays, like how the bottom is. So I really like that. I'm such a jean girl. Like I love jeans, and I really love this part because these are low-waisted, so it's gonna like curve my body really cute with the two buttons on the side. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. And y'all, I'm addicted to clothes. I am. I'm addicted, and I mean like addicted. Like you gotta take my card away, y'all. Okay, so I had to get these. I did. Like I don't have a pair of red jeans, and I'm trying to like build up my closet. So I'm like, oh my God, these are beautiful with the light wash where the knee is. I love it. I love it. I love how rich the color is. Like this is a rich red with the light wash in the front. I can't wait to style these. You know me, I go, well, I don't know if y'all know me, if you knew, but if you, oh, you know that I style down. Like I do not be playing. Okay, so let's get into the first accessory. I didn't get a lot of accessories. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a mirror purse. It's like a clutchy. You obviously are gonna see yourself, so say hi. And y'all gonna see the dirty background. But yes, this is so cute. It's a purse, so I'll open it so y'all can see in a minute how it looked for real. I like that it came extra wrapped. Like one thing about Shein, even though they're fast fashion and it's not sustainable fashion, they do care about how you receive your products. So I do love that. Okay, so I got 2 pair of shoes. This is my first pair, and I love these. I wanted these so bad. These little cute Mary Janes. Aren't they so cute with a little wide leg or a little skirt with some ruffle socks? So I cannot wait to style these. These are really cute. Like I'm talking like bust down cute, bust down middle part cute. Okay. So I got a coat, my last coat, because winter's about to be over. So I wanted to get one more coat to style for the winter, and I thought this one would be cute. Isn't it so cute with the fur? Now the fur is detachable, which we love. I really love the sleeves. I like that they're knitted. This is everything. Like you cannot tell me that this looked like it came from Shein. Like I'm gonna have to, what's it called, stop messing with the girls who don't like Shein, because I love Shein. I really do. If you have style and you are on a budget, for real, Shein is your best friend. Now, if you hating, get out of here. Ooh, I got a sweatsuit because I don't want to buy a juicy one, my cheap self. Now, if you want to buy me a juicy sweatsuit before winter is over, I'll send you my P.O. box because I really want one, but I can't right now. I'm on a strict budget. Like for real, for 2024, we are on a strict budget. Like I cannot spend nothing for real. So I got a little cute cropped sweater tracksuit. Right? Okay. Now hold on y'all, because some of the items I took out the box and hung them up. So I got this cardigan. Isn't it so cute? I love the denim on the sleeves. It actually is, when I say actually, you know, things are very much better quality than what you think they would be, especially how the price is. So don't knock Shein until you actually really try it, you know, because this is super cute. Okay. So then I got this jacket, which I love. Now, I'm trying to give that, like, y'all know what I'm trying to give. Y'all see this outfit I have on. So y'all know the vibe that I'm trying to give for my aesthetic. If you don't know, then just Google like these sets that I'm showing you and then you'll know. So this will look really cute with this outfit, but I'll try it on in a second. I want to show you tops. I got this one, which is a flower top, which I thought was really cute. I can't wait to style this. I got this white top. I think it's this way. Yep. It's off the shoulder, so it comes like this, and then one side comes off the shoulder. This is really cute. It's actually very thick. It's like way better quality than how the picture is displayed. That's the one thing I love about Shein, because it's so like the quality is very good. Like it's gonna last. Like everything I've gotten shipped from Shein like in the past years has not ripped or broke. Like nothing has happened, you know. I think I got one item where something fell off of it, but literally that one item out of like 1,000 pieces. Okay, so then I got this bodysuit. Which way? Is this way. It's a heart, like a heart neck bodysuit. It's so cute. I'm gonna try it on for y'all so y'all can see. But yes, isn't it so cute? And then I got this pink sweater for Valentine's Day. It's actually pretty long. It's really, I love the color though. Like I think it will look really nice on my skin, so I'm obsessed. And then this is one of the last items. I got these culottes, these leather culottes. I thought they would be so cute with my leather boots that I have. I cannot wait to style these. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, oh, and the last item. So I got a pair of fur boots. I can't believe it. I love. And this is it, because summer's literally around the corner. Spring is literally around the corner. So no more fur boots, no more winter stuff. Like this is it. We are ready and activated for spring shopping. Oh, he must think this is want to say hi? Oh, say hi, folks. Hi, folks. Oh, he must like the boot. You like the boot, or are you just trying to stay on my lap? Yep, I'm just trying to stay on your lap. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely comment below what piece you like the most. All of the pieces will be in the description box below, so you can get them. Hopefully everything will still be in stock if you are interested in some of the pieces that I have shown in the video. And yes, I love you guys so much. Please turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. Comment, like. It just helps me so much. Thank you for everybody who has been supporting me and subscribing to my channel and commenting and liking and just showing me that you are a part of the family. And I will see you guys in my next one. I love you guys so much. Say bye. Mwah.